Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we're going to learn a new Chinese character that's related to direction and position. Its pronunciation is qián. The character qián is often used to describe position, both in space and in time. When it talks about space, it means in front of something. When it talks about time, it usually means before a certain moment. It can also be used in a more abstract way to describe order, meaning something that comes earlier in a sequence. Its meaning changes slightly depending on the word it's used in. For example, 前面 means in front of something. 前进 means to move forward. Here, 前 shows direction. It means in front or forward. 以前 means before or in the past. 前人 means people from earlier times. Here, 前 expresses the idea of the past. 前景 means the likely future or potential development of something, especially in terms of success, growth, or opportunities. 前程 means the future course of a person's life or career, especially in terms of success, growth, or achievements. In these words, 前 refers to the future, what lies ahead. 前夫 means former husband. 前五名 means the top 5. Here, 前 expresses sequence or ranking, something that comes first. In ancient China, during the Shang dynasty, the oracle bone script for qián showed a small boat moving forward. Over time, the character gradually evolved into the modern form we use today. Let's practice reading this character together. 前 qián 前 The character qián looks a bit complex. It has 9 strokes, but don't worry. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you'll see it's actually quite easy to learn. Qián is a character with a top and bottom structure, and we can divide it into 3 sections: top, middle, and bottom. Let's break down this character. The top part looks like 2 small dots forming a funnel shape. This is also the radical of the character. The middle part is a single horizontal line that connects the upper part. The bottom part has 2 sections. On the left is the component yue, and on the right there are 2 short strokes, short vertical line and a vertical hook. Let's review. The character qián is made up of 4 parts: 2 dots, 1 horizontal line, the radical yue, a short vertical line with a vertical hook. Do you remember the golden rule of writing Chinese characters? That's right, from top to bottom and from left to right. Now let's try writing qián together. Start with the 2 dots on top, then draw a long horizontal line below them. Next, on the lower left, write the component yue with the stroke order, left falling, horizontal vertical hook, and 2 short horizontal. Then, to the right of yue, write a short vertical line, and finally, on the far right, write a long vertical line with a hook. Great job! You've just written a beautiful qián. See, it's not that hard, right? Now let's learn something fun. Here's an interesting word, qiántián. Can you guess what it means? You might think it means the day before, like yesterday. You're close, but not exactly. 前天 actually means the day before yesterday, not yesterday. Now you know the difference. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.